In this section, we're going to talk about the command pattern. It's a very useful pattern and it's used in a lot of frameworks. Chances are you have used this pattern without being aware of it. So let's see what the command pattern is all about. Let's say we want to design a graphical user interface framework. So other developers can use our framework to build applications with a graphical user interface. In this framework, we can have classes like button, checkbox, and textbox. So other developers can use these classes to build complex dialog boxes. So let's go ahead and implement a simple button class. First, we add a new package, the command package. In this package, we add a new class called button. Now, every button should have a label. So private string label. Let's generate a getter and a setter for this field. Beautiful. Now, every button should also have a method called click. So public void click. Now, here's the tricky part. The code that should be executed here will be dependent on where we use this button. For example, on one dialog box, when the user clicks a given button, perhaps we want to save something to a database. Somewhere else, we could have another button. When the user clicks that button, perhaps we want to delete a record. So at the time of designing this framework, at the time of implementing the button class, we don't know what code should be executed when we click a button. The command pattern aims to solve this problem. Now, before we talk about the command pattern, just like before, I want you to spend 5 minutes and think about all those core object-oriented programming principles. What principle do you think we can use to solve this problem? We'll talk about that next.